Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to add contacts on Mailchimp. So once you're on your Mailchimp homepage, you just have to go to audience and then go to add your contacts. And then there are different ways to import contacts. So you can import from other platforms like these available ones here in Mailchimp. And then another method is to upload a file if you have like a CSV file, or you can just copy paste. So in here, for example, I'm adding this user or email, and then click add or continue to organize, and then you can tag their status here, and then you can continue, and then you can add tags such as what kind of subscriber this user is. So in here, for example, the user is a customer, and then continue, and then finalize the import. After that, you just have to click complete import, and then go back to your home page and go to all contacts, and you will see here that the new user is added on your contact list. And then actually you can also add contacts from this page, so just add it there, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.